22 items that every prepper should be hoarding. What could those be? That's kind of a cool subject, even though we're not supposed to be hoarding. That's a bad thing. But that is what we are going to be talking about today. I'm Nikki. Welcome to Off Grid Style. Let's get started.
In the world of prepping, strategic hoarding of essential items can be the key to survival during challenging times. Whether you're preparing for natural disasters, economic downturns, or unforeseen crises, having a well-thought-out stash of crucial supplies is paramount. Here's a guide to 22 items every prepper should consider hoarding. Lighters. Keeping a stash of lighters ensures a reliable source of fire, which is essential for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Matches. As a backup to lighters, waterproof matches are excellent for fire starting in adverse conditions. Propane. Propane is a versatile fuel source for cooking, heating, and powering various equipment. Cordage. Durable cordage like paracord is invaluable for building shelters, crafting tools, and securing items. Flashlights. Battery-operated or solar-powered flashlights provide essential illumination during power outages or emergencies. Batteries. Stock up on various battery sizes to power flashlights, radios, and other essential devices. Candles. Candles offer a reliable and long-lasting light source, conserving other energy supplies. Cotton balls. Cover your cotton balls with Vaseline or hand sanitizer for an easily ignitable fire starter. Soap. Maintaining hygiene is crucial, so stock up on antibacterial soap for cleanliness. Toothpaste and toothbrushes. Oral hygiene is often overlooked but is critical for overall health. Hand sanitizer. Especially important during times of illness, hand sanitizer helps maintain sanitation standards. And it can also be used as a fire starter with a cotton ball. Duct tape. A versatile tool, duct tape can repair, secure, and improvise in various situations. It can also be used as a fire starter or a Band-Aid. Toilet paper. An often underrated commodity, toilet paper is a hygiene essential. Plastic bags. Used for waste disposal, organization, and protection, plastic bags have multiple applications. Bleach. A powerful disinfectant, bleach is essential for purifying water and maintaining a sanitary environment. Tarps. Waterproof tarps are essential for improvising shelters, water collection, covering leaks, or just creating a dry space. Socks. Keeping your feet dry and warm is crucial. Stockpile durable socks for all seasons. Salt. Besides seasoning, salt is a preservative, and it can be used for various practical purposes. Heirloom seeds. Planning for long-term sustainability, heirloom seeds enable you to grow your own food. First aid supplies. A comprehensive first aid kit should include bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and essential medical supplies. Multi-tools. A versatile multi-tool combines various functions, from cutting to opening cans in a compact device. Backpack. Store and transport your essential items with a durable backpack. Regularly assess and rotate your supplies to ensure everything remains functional and within expiration dates. Remember, adaptability and resourcefulness are just as crucial as the supplies themselves. With a well-maintained hoard, you'll be better equipped to face the uncertainties of the future.
So are these items that you are going to hoard? Are you already storing a lot of them, I guess is a good way to put it? Let me know in the comments always. I always want to hear from you. Please be sure to like the video because that pushes it out to more people. It tells YouTube we did a good job, or I did a good job, I guess I should say. Like, comment, subscribe, all the good stuff, and I will see you again soon. Thank you.